Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can release a song on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in this website where I found a guide that explains perfectly everything you need to know about publishing music on Spotify. So if you're a musician, then you've probably thought about publishing your songs on streaming platforms like Spotify. In this article, we're going to learn how to do it. So right now, we're going to jump directly to how to publish your music on Spotify as an artist. The first thing you'll need to do is create a Spotify account. You can do this by going to the Spotify website and clicking on sign up. Once you've created an account, you'll need to download the Spotify app. Once you have the app installed, open it and click on Edit Profile in the menu. From here, you'll need to click on Manage Your Artist Profile. This will take you to a page where you can claim your artist profile. To claim your artist profile, you'll need to have an existing presence on one of Spotify's partner platforms. This could be a social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, or it could be a music distribution platform like CD Baby or TuneCore. Once you've claimed your artist profile, you'll be able to start uploading your music. To do this, click on Upload Music in the menu and follow the prompts. You need to have your music files in a format that Spotify can accept, which is either MP or MPEG. Then, once your music is uploaded, you'll need to fill out some information about each song. This includes the title, artist name, release date, and more. You can also add album network, artwork, and lyrics if you want. After you've filled out all the necessary information, click submit. Your music will then be live on Spotify for people to listen to. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.